Hey guys, it's Wes. How you doing? Today I got my 2008 Roketa 150cc. It's a GY6 if you don't know. And we're going to do an oil change. And I'm going to go through all the steps and specifics on changing oil on a GY6 scooter. This will apply to a lot of different ones. So first of all, you got to find, there's a sticker, nomenclature, somewhere on the engine tells you how much oil you need. This one says it takes 0.8 quarts. And then I want to add some STP. It's got zinc in it, ZDDP. It's a nice additive. I got a couple things here. The oil drain plug, 17 millimeter. Use a crescent wrench if you don't have one of those. And of course the oil. This thing's supposed to take 1540, but they were out of it. This is what they had. I think this the STP will make the difference. And then of course the funnel, the juggle down there, it'll catch the oil. So let's check it out. Let's drain the oil. Oh yeah, also I drove it around a little bit to warm up the oil. That's a good thing, that we can get all the particulates out of the oil and get them out into the drain pan. So let's get started. Okay, we're down here at the dipstick. Oh yeah, before we get another thing I wanted to say, GY6s are CVT, so they're belt driven, so they don't take motorcycle oil, they just take regular oil. But what I've done is why am I using this thing? I cleaned the dipstick. I got some dirt roads, unpaved roads around here. It gets pretty dirty, so I took some of the carb cleaned the dipstick area. I got that clean. I don't know if I showed you already. This is the sticker, and it says 1540, 0.8 liters, which is, the liter is pretty much a quart. So we'll just use the dipstick and make sure we got the right amount. So let me get you down here and we'll pull the drain plug, which is down really low. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, I don't know how well you can see this, but right here, I'm using that thing again, is the drain plug. It's a flanged bolt and it's 17 millimeter. So let's if I can try not to burn myself, crack this thing off. And then, just like any car, drain all the oil out. Oh, what was that? Something hit the bottom. Boy, this thing needed an oil change. Look at that. Not good. All right, let that drain and we'll get back to you. Yeah, there's a little screen in here. I guess this is your oil filter. Okay, so we'll take the carb cleaner and clean this guy off too. Clean. Made kind of a little mess here. Have to scoop that up a little later. Okay, so we're gonna put the filter back. Yeah, filter back. Oh no, okay. Like that. The filter goes. I had it upside down. It goes in this way. Or maybe we could just put it on here. Yeah, that's the thing to do. Put that down. Okay. Take the dipstick out. A little funnel that doesn't fit. Nice. Just jam it in there. So I'm going to add some of this STP. Not very much. There we go. And that's going to take forever to drain, so I'll be right back. Still hasn't drained yet. But we'll just start with the oil. This should rinse it down. I got me some. We just got no Rileys near us. Before all we had was an AutoZone and a Napa. So I've been taking advantage of that. Did you see something flying there? Am I tripping? I don't know. But we're going to put in 3/4 of this and check it with the dipstick. About there. Nope, no more. There we go. Just, I don't think we threaded in. We need to check. And we're right at the mark. Look at that. Nailed it. Well, you know, sometimes guessing is still good enough. That's gonna smoke a little bit. It'll be fine. All right. See, let's fire it up. Turn that on. Turn that on. Oh, that almost fell right into there. I gotta clean up this oil mess. Oh, it sounds good. Cool. Somebody driving by when you're doing these kind of things. Alright, that's it, guys. Short video this week. I'm going to try to get back in the swing of making videos again. Slowly happening. Alright, you guys. Please do me a favor. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subs here, you know. I'm on my way. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Hindsight being what it is, you know, 2020. I think I should have put like a piece of cardboard down here or something, you know? Now you gotta dig the oil out of your dirt. You're a dummy. Airplane lately. Hey, do your thing, you know, to keep the environment clean. There we go. There we go. Now my conscience is clear.